Hello and welcome once again to Moorgate Andrology. You know, we get a lot of emails from our patients asking us how to repair Peyronie's disease. Now, thankfully, Peyronie's disease can be treated and treated very successfully. On the NHS, there is a procedure called the Nesbit, which straightens the penis. But the drawback with the Nesbit perhaps is that it shortens the penis, can shorten it quite considerably. And most men that come to Moorgate come to us because they don't like the idea of having a shorter penis after the surgery. So we do something different, and the surgery at Moorgate is called plaque incision and grafting. This procedure is designed to straighten the penis once again, to get rid of that curve, to straighten it, and also help to minimize any loss of length. And that's done through an incision procedure to open up the penis in the first place, and then to put a graft in where we have created the space. This straightens it and protects the length. Now, this procedure is performed by one of our urologists, and it takes about 2 hours. 2 hours under general anesthetic, so you're asleep when you have it done. And you'll be able to go home later on the same day. Now, if you want to find out more about the plaque incision technique, then we offer consultations here at Moorgate Andrology with our urology specialists. These are available every week and also some weekends. So the number to call, if you'd like to get in touch with us to find out when appointments are available, it's 01302 246 130, or you can email us at info@moorgateandrology.co.uk. So if you have Peyronie's disease, please don't worry. Whatever happens, something is available to fix it, and we understand how distressing this condition is, but hang on to the fact that it can be fixed and it can be treated. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Until then, that's all from me today. I'll see you back here next time at Moorgate Andrology. Bye for now.